are the levels of consciousness, and what is the highest level of consciousness, and how do you know when you've reached it?
Yes. In Eastern philosophy, yoga philosophy, there are 3 states of consciousness. Western philosophy has different approach. From Eastern, 3 states of consciousness. One is called Jagrat or waking state. Swapna means dreaming, and Shushupti means dreamless sleep or slumber. These are the 3 states of consciousness. And there is conflict in all these 3 states. Suppose when you are dreaming, dream is real. When you wake up, dream is not real. So the experience of dream and waking experience is in conflict. Right? Then third experience is dreamless sleep. It's like meditative state where you're totally relaxed. Mind is totally blocked. And that state everyone goes through. Slumber state or dreamless sleep. So when you wake up, you remember, I had nice sleep. That you'll remember. But there is a state that witnesses all these 3 states. It's called Turiya or Samadhi or superconscious state. That means there is consciousness that is always present. For example, you had a good dream or whatever dream you had. Then you say, I had a dream. Then you recognize, I am here, I am experiencing. Then you remember, I had a good, restful sleep. So there is a common denominator, that is supreme consciousness, is not in conflict with anything.
It's the outside witness, basically?
Right, it's a total witness. And one reaches that state, which is the goal of yoga, then one becomes totally free. Because entire universe is nothing but kind of a dream. So one can become free from time and space.
How about lucid dreaming? When you go into a dream and you know that you're dreaming.
Yes, so that is kind of higher consciousness maintains that awareness.
Within that
dream.
Because
within the dream.
You know you're dreaming.
You're dreaming. So you have a little bit control. You are witnessing it. It's much better. So looking at other way, Patanjali says that chitta or mind stuff has waves and different kind of waves. When we are awake, we have direct perception, or by inference we know what we see. You know, like I see you, I see things, so it's direct perception. But then there is inference, you know. I hear the pots and pan, so I know my wife is there cooking. Okay, so inference, the sound. And another one is a delusion. Delusion means you see one thing but you think it is something else. In the darkness, a rope seems like a snake. It's called delusion. So we in waking experience. And other one is illusion. Illusion means there is nothing there but you see it, like a mirage, you know, things like that. You see rainbow, actually it's not there, but it looks like. Or somebody says something and you interpret in your own mind. So there is no existence of substance, but you imagine. So that is in a waking state. These are all different things. Illusion, delusion, and direct perception, and inference.
Asmita?
Huh?
Which one's Asmita?
Asmita is ego, I consciousness. And Asmita means ego, identity, that I am body, I am mind. That is Asmita.
Avidya?
Avidya is ignorance.
Ignorance. And raga, well, I know what raga is.
Raga means attachment.
Diversa?
Dvesha.
Yeah.
Raga means attachment, dvesha means repulsion, hating, love and hate, you know, likes and dislikes. Okay.
And what's Abhinaversa. Abhinaversa. Abhinaversa? You know what that is?
Maybe.
Abhini versa. And you ever heard that one?
No, I have to see the spelling correctly.
It's on this. I was looking at. I got this from one of the yoga journals.
Yes.
And it's.
Yeah, I have to see the spelling.
Yeah.
Coming back to the point, in the waking state we have this experience. In dreaming state, also we experience something from the memory or daydreaming. And third state of consciousness is slumber state, where we are totally unconscious. So mind is always in one of the experiences. And the supreme consciousness is a witness to everything. Everything happens within it and is not touched by it. Just example is like a space. Space is not touched by what furniture you keep in the space. Or this room is not touched by what furniture you have, what you move, or no furniture. It's nothing touched. So consciousness remains witness to everything. And that is what we are. And that is what we have to experience. That is the final state, supreme consciousness, Turiya state or samadhi, where everything happens and we are totally free. We are not born, we don't die, there is no time, no space. That is total freedom. That is the higher state of consciousness.